Good morning, friends, and welcome to Aisha Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raste, a Trans India exclusive. At the age of 19, most girls would be preparing for a glamorous profession or something in the corporate space. Logistics would probably not even be on the list for a career choice. But here we have perhaps India's youngest female transporter who was very clear that she wanted to join her father's business. Ichha Gupta represents Pan India Logistics, a company started by her father, K.K. Gupta. When I met Ichha at her office in Navi Mumbai along with her father, the first thing K.K. Gupta told me was, I am so proud of my daughter. K.K. Gupta would be amongst the few fathers in the transport industry who would be so supportive and encouraging. I could literally see the pride in his eyes. That moment truly made my day. Ichha is still studying in college, but her focus is primarily on the family business. She is barely 18 months into the business, but she has grasped a lot in such a short time. What's more important is that she is not hesitant to learn, and she backs this quality with another good one. She is a fast learner. So let's hear it from India's youngest female transporter, Ichha Gupta, on the other side of this very short break. You are watching Aisha Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raste, a Trans India exclusive.
अरे वाह, आज सिर्फ 2 मिनट 23 सेकंड लेट।
हमेशा टाइम पे, ये कैसे पॉसिबल है?
दिन भर डिलीवरी के बाद भी फूलों की तरह इतना फ्रेश, ये कैसे पॉसिबल है?
भाई साहब,
अरे जब तक आप बता दो।
8 घंटे की शिफ्ट, 132 किलोमीटर और बाकी डिटेल्स आपको ईमेल कर दी।
सारा हिसाब ऐप पर, ये कैसे पॉसिबल?
अरे भाई एक्सपर्ट है
तो पॉसिबल है।
Introducing Aisha Pro X, an electric first SCV co-created with experts. Expert है तो possible है।
Welcome back to Aisha Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raste, a Trans India exclusive. We are talking today to India's youngest female transporter, Ichha Gupta, representing Pan India Logistics. Tell us about your company. What is Pan Logistics India all about?
Sure. So first of all, thank you so much for having me here. It's a privilege. Pan India Logistics was started by my dad, K.K. Gupta, in 2013. So we have started in 2013 and then we are operating in export-import container transportation mainly from Nhava Sheva to all parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Hyderabad and more. And we're also operating from Mundra to all parts of Gujarat. So currently that's our expertise.
So your cargo would ideally be EXIM cargo, right?
Yeah, anything that has to be exported or imported.
But then isn't EXIM supposed to be a very challenging work in terms of, reaching on time? The time pressure is always there.
It is there, but I think we have to get through the challenges and deal with it. And yeah.
So Richa, how did you plan to join the family business? Was it a forced choice, or was it कि यही करना है?
यही करना है. It was never a first choice. So I have a little story to it. So I always had to choose a little unconventional path in my career. मतलब कुछ अलग करना है. ऐसे normal अपना traditional तो करना ही नहीं है. तो one night in fact before my 11th admission, I was talking to mom and dad कि कौन सा field would be good for me. तो दैट जस्ट मेंशन कि लॉजिस्टिक्स इज एन एवर ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री, मतलब वो तो कभी बंद होगा ही नहीं, इट्स द बैकबोन ऑफ इकोनॉमी. तो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट आई पिक्ड अप. तो पैन इंडिया लॉजिस्टिक्स टू मी फेल्ट लाइक अ परफेक्ट प्लेस टू डाइव इन, कि चलो बिजनेस है, लॉजिस्टिक्स है, तो घुस जाती हूँ. आई डिडंट थिंक मच बिकॉज आई थिंक इफ आई वुड हैव थॉट अ लॉट कि अरे करना है नहीं करना है, तो फिर द परफेक्ट मोमेंट वुड हैव नेवर कम. So I just took the opportunity, I
Wow.
jumped in and I'm doing it. I'm enjoying it now.
But did you have any idea कि ट्रांसपोर्ट बिजनेस है क्या चीज़?
Not much. पहले मुझे लगता था कि गाड़ी में माल भरना है, पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी सिर्फ छोड़ना है. But it's a lot more than that.
ये करना तो वही आई थिंक, पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी
हाँ, but
पहुंचाना है.
बहुत कुछ है अंदर डिटेल्स. वो मुझे अभी धीरे धीरे पता चल रहा है. Still a lot to learn. But it's fun. I'm enjoying it.
So you've been at work for how long now?
It's been 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years.
Okay.
Now. Yeah.
And I was talking to dad and dad said one very good thing, that I'm very proud of my daughter.
Definitely he is. He always tells me this. You're making me so proud, and I have that sense of accomplishment and fulfillment कि हाँ proud कर दिया, अब काम करना है. तो it's like he has been the force behind me doing this. ऐसे वो बोलते हैं हमेशा कि तुम काम करो, मैं खड़ा हूँ पीछे. तो that kind of strength I think is what we need. It moves us forward.
Absolutely.
So it has been great.
What was the first thing that you learned when you joined the business?
So the first thing I would not say about transport, क्योंकि अभी भी I don't know much about transport, but I think the first thing is that being consistent in whatever I'm doing and not thinking much. सामने कोई opportunity दिख रही है, ले लो और कर लो. Like if we wait कि हाँ सीखेंगे करेंगे, it will never come. If you're getting some opportunity, just take it and learn it. Learn from it, I mean.
So what all operations that you handled to date?
So
or you've done everything of sorts?
No, from the start I've been into marketing.
Okay.
Because I feel that would be an easy way for me to gel into the business.
Right.
Like if I would have started with operations or finance, I think मुझे तो बहुत friction मिल जाता पहले कि अरे driver से बात करने and all of that. So for the past 1.5 years I've been into marketing. थोड़ा बहुत operations have started, like थोड़ा बहुत driver से बात करना, not much. तो like recently I had a client. So the small things that I get to learn. So I was on a client call. तो वो बोल रहे थे कि there was some cargo, so the shipper was asking 40 feet का vehicle.
Yeah.
तो तब I got to know that maybe this cargo में 220 feet is required and not 140 because cargo slip होने का chance होता है.
Right.
तो that kind of little things I'm getting to learn through marketing itself. क्योंकि client से बात करती हूँ, then I get to understand कि what cargo needs, what kind of vehicle and all of that. So operations में not much I'm involved in because थोड़ा बहुत सीखना, थोड़ा बहुत ही पता है मुझे.
I mean, that's how you learn. I mean, transport is a hands-on
because
business.
marketing is actually being the teacher for me, talking to clients and getting to understand what they want and what I have to know. So all that is helping me learn abhi.
And are you also approaching new clients?
Yes, so in fact all my clients have been super supportive. मतलब I've been transparent to them कि मैं we have just joined, I'm still learning and I'm here to do business with you and please guide me. So my existing clients and my potential clients, all of them have been super empowering. In fact, one of my potential clients mentioned that I am an inspiration. So that, I think these kind of words actually stay with you and push you forward.
Absolutely.
So there was one ma'am. So she said कि तुम 19 हो, तुम ट्रांसपोर्ट में कैसे आ रही हो, हमारी तो इतनी बहस होती है ट्रांसपोर्टर्स ड्राइवर से. मैंने बोला हमारे साथ काम करोगे तो नहीं होगी,
बहस होने की नौबत ही नहीं आएगी.
नहीं आएगी. So she was like, yes, if more people like you, more women like you come into transport, it will become more easier for even them. So client reaction has been super good.
Wonderful. And you've spoken to a few drivers also.
Yes.
उनका reaction क्या था?
तो ऐसे as such बात उनसे नहीं हुई है कि मैं young हूँ, it's like normal operation वाली बात हुई है. तो they have been very soft to me. ऐसे कुछ I haven't had any harsh interaction with drivers.
But any surprise factor initially कि ये मैम कौन आ गई suddenly, that kind of thing?
नहीं, that has not been yet. Nothing like that yet.
We will continue our interaction with Icha after this very short break. You are watching iShare Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raaste, a Trans India exclusive. Welcome back to Aisha Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raste, a Trans India exclusive. We are in conversation with probably the youngest female transporter in India, Icha Gupta. So what has been your most challenging day to date कि यार आज का दिन like बहुत ही super messed up था.
हाँ, so there was one movement that we were doing. It was outsourced vehicle Delhi से. तो अब हमारे वो regular agent थे, the outsourced person. So we had trust in them. तो वो GPS नहीं था वो व्हीकल में एंड द ड्राइवर पार्क द व्हीकल. उन्होंने हमको बोला कि कहीं पार्कड है. तो वी वर मतलब वो एक हफ्ता स्ट्रेच हो गया. तो वी वर वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड एज टू व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. वी डोंट नो वेयर द व्हीकल इज. ही वाज जस्ट पुशिंग इट फॉरवर्ड. तो फिर आई कॉल फ्रॉम माई नंबर बिकॉज ही डिडंट हैव माई नंबर दैट टाइम. तो ही पिक्ड अप. ही सेड कि गाड़ी यहाँ पे खड़ी है. तो वी वर लिटिल रिलीव्ड. बट देन हुआ ये कि गाड़ी वहाँ पे खड़ी ही नहीं है, पता चलता है बाद में. तो ही सेंट हिज ब्रदर. तो तब गाड़ी स्टार्ट हुई. देन वी आस्क्ड हिम कि या फिर फोटो भेजो, वीडियो भेजो, कुछ भेजो. तो वो भी नहीं भेज रहे थे. वीडियो कॉल पे क्लियरली दिख नहीं रहा था. एंड दैट टाइम एक चीज़ आई नोटिस वाज कि लाइव लोकेशन उनको इतना अच्छे से आ नहीं रहा था भेजना. लाइक आई वाज आस्किंग देम कि आप 8 घंटे का भेज दो, इट वुड बी गुड फॉर अस एंड यू ऑल्सो. तो उनको वो आ नहीं रहा था. वो बार बार 1 घंटे का भेज रहा था. तो दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज कि मे बी दैट इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट दे शुड बी टॉट द लिटिल थिंग्स कि अगर आपका GPS नहीं चल रहा है तो एटलीस्ट आप लाइव लोकेशन भेज दो फ़ोन से. तो दैट हैज़ बीन लाइक द 2 days हैव बीन सुपर हेक्टिक कि क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं. फिर व्हीकल एक बार पहुंची तब जाके अब ऑफलोड हुई. फिर जाके हमको रिलीफ हुआ कि चलो भाई पहुंच गई.
बट एनी लर्निंग्स आउट ऑफ दिस कि आप उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करके फ्यूचर में कैसे बेटर कर सको?
सो फ्रॉम दिस इंसिडेंट इटसेल्फ आई थिंक आप कितना भी आपके अगर कोई ट्रस्टवर्दी तो होते ही है लोग. बट देन आई फील दैट यू शुड स्टिल कंफर्म वंस दैट एज टू एवरीथिंग इज प्रॉपर बिफोर लोडिंग द व्हीकल इफ यू आर आउटसोर्सिंग. That is one thing. Second thing, the driver training, I believe the little things they should also know about technology. And the third is one thing that driver should be treated with respect and warmth. So I feel that the love factor comes from women. I mean, for me, I have seen that कि women bring the soft factor to the business. It's like the
Right.
balance thing between
Correct.
aggressiveness and the softness.
Right.
So I really feel so good that seeing the other women around me. So it feels very good to be in a field like this wherein there are not many women now.
Absolutely.
But with encouragement like you are doing all the OEMs, other industry leaders, I think it's not as difficult.
Absolutely.
Women should get in here too.
Icha, when your dad started the business,
Yeah.
उस time पे technology was not
कुछ नहीं.
really there.
हाँ.
And अब जब आप आए हो तो the tech is really, it's at a peak.
Yeah.
How much has tech helped you and how much are you using tech?
So before I used to know कि LRs और ये सब paper work होता था. Now after I've come, I have to everything with technology only. मेल कर रही हूँ, LRs हो रहा है, जो भी हो रहा है, everything. Most of our paperwork is in fact online, digital. So that has been a big relief कि you don't have the pressure to make papers, and so it reduces a lot of burden. So with technology, I think that has come. I have also heard of ADAS. So I'm not much aware about it, but I think it's a good thing that has come up now. It will somehow help the industry, I think. So that is my take on technology, I believe.
And so what are your thoughts on road accidents? You think driver training and technology in trucks, will that help in bringing down accidents?
I don't think so. Also, one thing that we have a concept called Chalak Malak. So wherein we have driver own fleet. So we have 20 to 25. So I'm a big promoter of that. It's super fascinating because it reduces chances of accident because drivers become more conscious of the safety. क्योंकि उनकी गाड़ी है, they have more responsibility. So I think that is a pretty good concept. And if all the drivers, I think, have that kind of sense of responsibility
Right.
with training and with like good treatment to them, I think this should someday be
So you plan to bring this in your company, this concept?
Yes, we already have Chalak Malak.
Okay.
So I actually want to expand in that area because with that we'll be able to support more drivers and turn them into entrepreneurs. So that would be great. And at the same time, we would also be able to give good service to our customers and also support them and do good.
Icha, you recently drove a truck at the Eicher facility.
Yeah.
How was that experience?
It was surreal. I mean, that was my first time driving an EV and it turned out to be a truck. So it was insane. The reaction that I have received from my family, it's insane. It's like 19 साल के तो ट्रक चला रही है. ऐसे बड़ा मजा आया. It was super cool. It was one of the best things that I've done yet.
And how was your overall experience in the trip? Getting to know how a truck is
Yeah.
made, meeting other women transporters. What was the
It
learning
was-
experience?
It was a wonderful experience. So, especially talking to other women leaders, their stories, they are so powerful, so fierce. I mean, everything that I get to listen, I learn so much from the conversations that I've had. And besides that, in fact, the panel discussions that we had about alternate fuels, driver welfare, and all of that really makes me believe that yes, we are doing something good. I mean, the industry is changing and it will get better eventually. So that kind of learning is still there with me.
Anisha, what are your future plans from here on? Where do you plan to take this company?
Okay, so I plan to take this company to the next level, higher and beyond. But I think we would continue expanding in the export-import business itself.
You're not venturing beyond that?
We will, but currently for the next few years, at least 2-3 years, we are focusing on that itself, LCL, FCL both. And besides that, as I mentioned about the Chalak Malak, so I also want to add more driver-owned fleets so that we're able to support them and also give good service to our customers. And yes, we want to grow sustainably. Sorry, I do not want to rush or do something like that. So we have to grow sustainably, and like do well.
And do you plan to introduce EVs in your fleet since you drove one?
If we get into small shipment very soon, then we might consider EVs. But as of now, no.
Anisha, finally, how do you see the future of the industry overall?
So my personal view of the industry has been very different from the start. Like in the start, in fact, I used to think कि transport है, whether I'll be able to do it or not. But मैं देखती थी बाकी women leaders को. So I thought that yes, maybe if they are doing, I would also be able to do it. So now that women are here and many changes are happening, I think we have a good future ahead. आगे if we work on something, we bring fresh perspectives to the business, there are chances for improvements. There is always a chance for improvement, in fact. So I think yeah, it will be great ahead.
And you'll continue to drive trucks in the future?
Yes, definitely. I'm never leaving driving a truck.
That was indeed an inspiring conversation. I would urge all family-run transport companies to encourage the women in your house, be it your wife or daughter-in-law, to join the family business. Even though logistics is a challenging field, there is adequate amount of technology to support the operations, and it is no big deal for the women to manage the same. The future of this industry is very bright, and together as a family, you all can strike gold. On that note, it's goodbye from us this week as we prepare to be back again next Sunday. You have been watching Eicher Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raaste, a Trans India exclusive. Until next week, stay safe and drive safe. Jai Hind.